What's good, my boys? Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, we're gonna just go with the flow. It's a weekend, yeah. We're gonna go with the flow, see what the weekend brings. I have a meeting today with the boys in the trading floor in Brussels, so we're gonna head to there, and then we'll see what's going on with the vibes and. You know how we do. Got a couple things planned. Obviously this week trading wise was very well. I'm gonna show you guys a TradeZella dashboard. Let me just get onto TradeZella real quick. So let me show you guys. We can see 17 grand made, trade win percentage 70%, 5 profit factor, day win percentage 100%, average win loss 2 risk to reward. We can see the trades here. We can see that Friday we made 8 grand, and then we did a minimum trading day. Here we made 4 grand, and then here we made 5 grand, 5.4 grand. So you can see this week has been very, very good for us. Last week as well. So we will see what the next week brings. I'm not gonna be trading much because I'm just waiting for my payout, which is coming Thursday. So let me show you guys actually that as well, because I think it's very good for you guys to see that you know how to request the payouts, how it looks like having a payout or stuff like that. Currently we're 6th on the leaderboard. There's some guy who made, actually my student, which is crazy. This fucking Sufyan guy, which is my student, he's up 22%, 22 fucking percent, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, to request a payout, I'm getting about 9,500 in the payout, and it will be coming through in 3 days. So that's great. It will be great to request. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will take you guys through the day and we'll see what's going on. What's good, guys? New vlog. We're here at the office with the boys. I've vlogged in a while because I've just been sick, low-key. I'm still fried, like my head is crazy. I'm freezing. But yeah, we're still working because work has to get done. We're now making content with the boys. As you can see, right here we got Thomas, we got Isar, we got Hamza. Right here, behind the cameras, we got the boys. We got the obviously the desk. So yeah, we're just working, making some videos. Long time no see, yeah.
Every time we see each other is night time.
Yeah, grinding and
grinding, bro.
yeah.
I don't know.
I feel like grinding at night is always more peaceful. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm trying to be like Flex.
Yeah.
He made how much? 30,000? 30,000.
Okay, no, I have a good question. Yeah, January ended. Did you achieve or did you get close to the goals you set at the start of the month?
I got close but did not achieve it.
So how do you feel, or how do you go into the next month knowing that you're just a little short of the target?
I will reevaluate. I will see where I slacked. I also had half a month because my team was off, so I actually almost hit my target in like 15 days. Well, not even 15 days because it's the 25th today. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure with a full month I can definitely hit my targets.
Okay. So what would the advice be for someone? Let's say you set a target, you do not get to the target. What would you say to not feel bad or overtrade to still get to that target?
I think don't feel bad, first of all. You know, it's okay if you don't hit your target. You know, at the end of the day, we set targets and we try to achieve these targets, but the most important part is that we are taking steps towards that target. So making progress, even if it's baby steps, that's what matters, right? Because there is a famous saying, you know, Rome was not built in one day. You know, it took quite a long time. And I think that's the whole idea. You just need to work, keep working. And if you hit your target, that's great. And if you don't worry. Just look at what you didn't do, where you can improve, and then add that extra work for the next month where you can try to achieve your target.
Yeah, guys, there's also a saying, Rome wasn't built in one day, but Hiroshima was destroyed in one day. So that's why don't destroy all your profits in one day. Now we have Thomas.
Yeah.
So your monthly targets, did you achieve your monthly targets or not? Did you get close?
Achieve it in 2 weeks.
Okay.
But 3rd weeks I lost 3 trades.
Okay.
So I went back maybe like 70% of the target, but we still have 1 week to go. So
are you confident that you will achieve the target?
Yeah. Basically I'm trading gold, so now gold is on, you know, the all-time high. We had a discussion also with Isar, so we don't have like enough data.
Yeah.
Also. So I'm pretty confident that we will have at least 1 or 2 opportunities next week.
Okay.
So, but yeah,
Can you ask Thomas to send signals? You know?
Yeah, would you be able to send us signals?
Yeah, think
Because
about it.
we need to make money.
I
These
can
are the
send
short of the targets.
signal on Hong Kong dollar if you want.
Hong Kong dollar.
You see, if you look at the per.
Guys, we're trading Hong Kong dollar from today.
Very volatile.
Don't forget. Listen to what Flex has to say. The guy made $30,000 this. How are you, Flex?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
Everything is okay.
We're chilling.
So, since you are a trader,
Yes.
what is the 3 most crucial skills that is needed to be a good trader?
Risk management, technical analysis, and discipline.
Now, how about this? 3 bad qualities that usually makes a bad trader.
That's good, guys. Let me put on the lightning because the lightning is pretty shit. But it's currently 2 p.m. It'll just be a day in the life, week in the life, whatever. Like I woke up at 6, 7 a.m. Done a lot of work, done a rebrand on the Telegram group. Also took a trade on gold, which I did break down. But let me show you guys the trade. So we can see right here, we took the trade. This was the trade given. 28.59 TP1 TP2, and you can see actually exactly 77. We called the top, which is kind of crazy. I did also break down this trade. Now we are in euro shorts, so let's see what euro does. So yeah, it's just a typical day in the office. We're not doing much, we're just working. I'm about to cook some food, so I'm gonna show you guys that, because I know a lot of people that are, they know that I cook, so they want to see how I do it and shit. But other than that, I'm also gonna record a video about how I made the payout of 15 grand. So I'm gonna show you guys that as well. And I think for the rest, I might put in some clips of value. Isar shared and I shared a couple, I think a week ago. So it might be like a mixed vlog, whatever. So I'll keep you guys posted. I guess this fucker just living the life. What's up, my guy? You always have to stretch the kitties out. Crazy. She's enjoying life, sleeping in the bed of the most profitable gold trader. That's right, my boy. Yeah, you want to kiss the camera, faggot? Kiss it, bruv. Kiss it. Come, bruv. Come, kiss the camera, bruv. She likes you guys. Crazy. Crazy kitten. Yeah, she's going crazy. Anyways, let's cook some food. Pink room. You already know what time it is. Yeah, this is just my old sister's room. I mean, my sister's old room. So yeah, don't mind the pinkness. But I'm thinking of fixing my desk. So first of all, order a new PC. I have these fucking foam things on the ground I want to put up on the wall, and then maybe get some color shit. But yeah, the new PC should be coming this week. Let's check what the market is doing. Gold just held the trail stop after hitting TP2, so that's clean. And then euro, we're still in the short. I'm expecting downside movement. I'll give you guys a quick idea why I shorted. If you look, we had 1 hour liquidity here, and here. This was a fake demand. or whatever you want to call it. And then we came into this demand, right? Supply, my bad. Once we were in the supply, we had this sweep of liquidity, then the break of structure. Then I took a market execution around 115.50. We came back up a little bit to retest. Then we had the news drop. Not a lot happened, but I think we're going to continue selling off, to be honest. And then 4 p.m. we have news as well, so we could continue selling off. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated on this trade. So yeah. So we got some chicken here. We got mushroom. We got a knife, obviously. We got cream sauce, and then we got water, and we got penne breath. Penne, specifically from fucking Italy, mate. No, I'm joking, but yeah. So this camera is moving, man. But I'm just watching Suits at the moment, whilst I'm gonna do this because I'm waiting on the obviously the fucking water to boil up. 200 fucking degrees, isn't it? So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this chicken real quick, and I'll show you guys the end result because gotta slice them up small. So we have the boiled fucking water. We put the pasta in. We got the mushrooms. They're already ready anyway. And then we have the chicken, just sliced up. And yeah, once this is obviously once the pasta is ready, I'm gonna put it out, and then I'm gonna fucking cook the chicken here with the mushroom and the cream sauce. So yeah. So we got the pasta boy here, right? And then we have the chicken. Chicken is here. This has to shut the fuck up. But we got the chicken here. We will obviously cook that, add the mushroom, add the sauce, add the pasta, and then eat some goddamn food. And then I'll probably take a nap. And then I don't know, maybe do a trade recap about the EU trade, depending on where it's going. It's currently in profit though, but we'll see where it goes. Obviously, we can't celebrate too early. You get me, boys. Low-key the best series ever. Anyways, chicken is looking good. So what do? We take the mushrooms, right? And we put the fries in the back. That's it. So we put that in, put this back. Boom. Just like that. And then add some salt, right? Add your salt, boys. Don't forget your salt. We'll add some more once the cream sauce goes in. And then it's stirring, boys. That's it. So we got the cream sauce in there, my guy. Right. So now we're gonna add some salt in this bitch.
Defense calls Stephen Huntley to the stand.
I don't know how this shit works, by the way, so it might be enough, might not be, but whatever. Let's go. What we got here? I think it might be too much pasta, but I guess it is what it is, isn't it? So we're gonna stir this good up like a good boy. And then we'll see the end result.
Cameron that Dave is innocent. Have you been drinking? Yeah. Why? Because wasn't that the old plan? That was the old goal. This time it's you who's going to kill it. He's claiming we can slag swap Mike Ross for William Sutter. I'm going to get our story straight.
So as we can see on Euro, we had that drop. It went to 104. My TP1 was 103.9, so didn't hit, and now it's just retracing. We have news in about 30 minutes, so we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna be chilling in my bed and see what's up. So basically, news just look at this motherfucker. News just came out. We took a stop on that trade. So as you can see, this is the daily results. The last trader was not supposed to go through on the gold sell, but my trader sent this trade. It was not supposed to be sent, to be honest, because we were in good profit for the day, and I was pretty much done. He sent 2 trades in the morning, took a stop, no issue. Then I sent a trade, nice 190 pip profit. But then he entered before news, which was kind of not realistic, but it is what it is. Also part of the game. So today is just a 15 pip break-even day. Yesterday was 280 pips, and the day before was let me check. Actually, I'm better just checking here, to be honest. So this is also a free group, by the way. This is 280 pips. It says 240, but it's supposed to be 280, which is yesterday, which is Tuesday. Wednesday we did obviously today 15 pips profit, and then Monday we did 160 pips, and then last week Friday, which was huge, we did the 597 pips actually that week, sorry. So yeah, all in all, we're pretty much doing very, very good. Also, I had a very good trade though, like a 580 pip trade. I think we long gold from 41 till 89, which was all-time high. Obviously now it's a little bit higher, 100 pips higher, but yeah, you can just see the profits as well from the members. It's all free, by the way. I'm just in my bed. I'll probably take a nap, and later this evening I'm going to a match. My brother invited me, so I'm just gonna take a nap right now with my cat. That fat pussy's waiting on me. That sounds a bit weird, but anyway, I will do it. Obviously I shown the loss, so we're transparent as it can get. It's a break-even day. We don't mind. I actually didn't trade today. I did send the trade, but I didn't trade because I'm waiting on my funded account from Titan and Funded Squad. And I'm waiting on a payout on another funded account, so I didn't trade. But I did still send this trade out, which was a good play. But anyways, now I'm going to take a nap, probably for a couple hours. I'm leaving home at like 8-ish. So I should be good with a couple hours of sleep. And then we'll see what the day brings, obviously. And yeah, that's it. Was good, guys. I just woke up from my nap or whatnot. Currently I'm driving to for people that live in Belgium, Kaarsengenk Stadium. It's like a football club close to my home, and they're obviously first national, and we're gonna watch them because my brother invited me to go watch with him. So I guess we're gonna do that. And obviously, since we have a lot of free time due to trading, I can just do whatever the fuck I want. And then after I'm gonna home, I'll see whatever I do. This will probably be the end of the vlog. I'm currently editing the vlog. I'm gonna show you guys a couple things. Obviously, you can see the Telegram. This is the free signals group, by the way. We've had so many testimonials, so many results. It's absolutely crazy. I'm gonna show you guys the trade. Today we took this. Actually, never mind. We took this, right? We took this buy. TP1 is hit already. Stop loss at break even. Yesterday, we took this trade. This trade hit TP2 as well, which was 160 pips. So it's absolutely crazy the proof we have, actually, like all the testimonials. We actually have video testimonials as well.
Flex Street. Mine is a G, guys.
Apparently I'm a G. But yeah, we can see everyone making loads of money. Absolutely crazy. This week has been insane for us as well in terms of trading. You can see here as well.
So
absolutely smashing it. Everyone, this guy secured a 6k payout with funding pips just by the trades. Absolutely insane. So yeah, it's just absolutely insane. I think the results we have, nobody really has, and the fact that it's completely free. Reason that it's free is obviously that we work together with the broker, so the broker pays us, so you guys don't have to pay me anything, so everything is free. So I mean, I don't see anyone doing the same results as we do and as legit as it gets. You know, in these day and times, signals group are seen bad because most of them are scammers, especially when they work together with brokers. But obviously, we made a change in that, and yeah, you can see the results. They all speak for themselves. This is also the end of the vlog. This is just unemployment, final boss, whatever I do. This is probably a week worth of content. I didn't do much anyway. I'm pretty sick right now. I got like 40 degrees fucking body temperature. But yeah, I'm going to Adana next week, by the way, to my boy Yusuf. So we will have good content. So make sure to stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, peace out, guys. Take care.